Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Now, children, last time we had already learned division, right? You all remember that? Okay. Now we are going to learn something more about division. Okay, so everybody has to pay attention. So, shall we start? Come on. Now we are going to start chapter number 1, more division from term 2. Okay. This type of sum we had already learned in division chapter. Okay, here dividend and divisor are there, and when we perform the division, how we will do this? See, we will say the table of 3 and we will go till 27, right? So what will be the answer? 3 nines are 27. Okay, and then we are subtracting over here, and 7 minus 7 is 0, 2 minus 2 is also 0. So this type of sum we had already learned. Now see this type of sum. Here in this type of sum, what it was, that here 27 is there now. This 2 is less than 3. 3 से छोटा है ये number, right? 2 is less than 3. So we were taking both the numbers together. But here, in this type of sum, 69 divided by 3, when we will see the first number over here, this is more than 3. This number is more than 3. So when this number, यहाँ का जो number अगर 3 से बड़ा है तो हम एक ही number पहले लेंगे in division sums. Okay? So what we will do? We will say the table of 3 and we will go till 6 number. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So here we will write down 3 twos are 6. And we are going to subtract only this number. Okay, this number only we are going to subtract. So 6 minus 6 will be 0. So this is the first step of the doing division sum. हमको क्या याद रखना है कि अगर जो ये फर्स्ट वाला नंबर अगर 3 से बड़ा है तो हमको एक ही नंबर लेना है. यहाँ पे नंबर छोटा था, 3 से छोटा है 2 नंबर, सो वी हैड टेकन बोथ द नंबर्स टुगेदर. अगर छोटा है तो दोनों नंबर लेना है, लेकिन अगर डिवाइजर से डिविडेंड का फर्स्ट नंबर अगर बड़ा है तो हम एक ही नंबर लेंगे. नाउ सी, आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग दिस फर्स्ट स्टेप, what we will do, we will bring down this 9 here. ये 9 को हमको नीचे लाना है. This 9 will come down. Okay. Now we are going to divide this number with this. So 3 का number 3 का टेबल बोलेंगे तो 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So here we will write down 3 threes are 9. Now here nothing is there, so we will consider here as 0. Now 9 minus 9 is 0 and 0 minus 0 is 0. So this way we are going to do the division in 2 steps. Here we were doing only 1 step, but here we are going to do 2 steps. So the answer will be here 23. I will show you one more sum. Now see here 84 divided by 4. Here also children, when we will see the first number here. Okay, this 8 is big than 4, bigger than 4. So what we will do, we are going to take only one number while doing the sum. Okay, so we will say the table of 4. So what will come? 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8 will be 0. Okay. So we had taken first number and we had done the division. Now the turn is of second number. So this 4 we will bring down. We have to show the arrow like this way. We have to show the arrow in our sum. In your book also you will show the arrow and you will show that you had put down the 4 here. You have taken down the 4 in the second step. Now in 4 table when 4 comes, 4 ones are 4. So here we will write down 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 0 minus 0 is also 0. So here our quotient, the answer is 21, the remainder is 0 over here, right? So in this type of sum only, the thing you have to remember that this sum will come in 2 steps, and the first step is to see the first number. If it is big, then we will take only one number. If it is small, then we are going to take 2 numbers. Come on, now see here 48 divided by 2. Here the first number is 4. Okay, 4 is bigger than 2. So we are going to take only one number in our first step. So when in 2 table when 4 comes, 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4. Now 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now what we will do? We will show the arrow here this way and we will bring down 8. Now again say 2 tables, so 2 fours are 8. So here comes 4, 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 will be 0 and 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay, so the answer is here 24 and the remainder is 0. Now 80 divided by 4. So here again same thing, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, right? Now here children, here 0 is there, right? So you can directly write, because 0 you can directly write over here also, or if you want to follow the step like this you can follow it, but in this step you have to perform the, you have to do the division here. So 4 in 4 table 0, so 4 zeros are 0 will come. No need to do second step, but if you are not understanding you can do the second step and you can do the sum over here like this. Okay, so when 0 is there you can directly put it up, or you can go in the second step and you will write down 4 zeros are 0 and then you will subtract here. Subtract 0 minus 0 0 and 0 minus 0 again 0. So the answer is 20. Okay. Now look here. 75 divided by 3. Here 7 is bigger than 3. So now children, what we will do in this type of sum? When you will say the table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So 3 twos is 6 and 3 threes is 9. So here 7 is not coming in 3 table, right? See, 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes is 9, but here 7 is given. So what we will do here? We will consider, we will take the small number. We will not take 9. We will take 6 in our division sum, because in subtraction sum the number which is above is always big and the number which is below is always small. Then only we can do the subtraction. Subtraction के सम में ऊपर का नंबर हमेशा बड़ा होता है और नीचे का नंबर छोटा होता है, तो इसीलिए हमको छोटा ही नंबर यहाँ पे लेना है. 9 अगर हम लेंगे तो क्या होगा, 7 में से 9 हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो 6 हम लेंगे, 9 नहीं लेंगे. ओके, so what we will take, 3 twos are 6. So here I will write down 3 twos are 6. Then I will subtract over here. Okay, so 7 minus 6 is, I will rub this. Okay, now see, 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, When we subtract this, our answer is 1. Now, according to our step, we will bring down this 5 in the second step. This way. So now our number becomes 15, right? 5 को हम नीचे उतारेंगे. Already यहाँ पे 1 था, तो अभी हमारा नंबर क्या हो गया? 15 हो गया. Again we will say 3 table, और 3 के टेबल में 15 कब आता है वो देखना है. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 5s are 15. So here 3 5s are 50. This way. Okay. Here we are going to subtract. 5 minus 5 will be 0, and 1 minus 1 will also be 0. So our answer here is 25. I will show you one more sum. Now 76 divided by 4. So here we are going to see first the first number. First number is 7, which is bigger than 4. 4 से बड़ा है तो हम एक ही नंबर लेंगे, right? चलो. So 4 1s are 4, 4 1s is 4. If you are not comfortable, then you will write down table with pencil like this, and then you can rub it. 2-3 बार आप ऐसे करोगे तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा, ठीक है? See, 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s is 8, but here 7 is there, so we can't take 8 over here, right? 8 is bigger than 7, तो 7 से बड़ा नंबर हम नहीं ले सकते. तो what we will take, उसके ऊपर जो है वो ले लेना है. So 4 1s are 4 we can take. So here I will write down 4 1s are 4. Whatever the number comes, अगर यहाँ पे big number है तो वो नहीं लेंगे, उसके ऊपर जो भी है वो हमको लेना है. Now see, 7 minus 4 is, when you will subtract, then what answer you will get? 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now this 6 we are going to bring down. Okay? So in 4 table when 36 comes, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. When you will say the full table, then 4 9s are 36. So here we will write down 9. And we will subtract. So 6 minus 6 will come 0, and 3 minus 3 will come 0. So the answer will be 90. Now see this 80 divided by 5. 8 is bigger than 5. So we will take only one number. And 5 1s is 5. And 5 2s is 10. Now again 10 is bigger than 8. 10 is bigger than 8. So we can't take 5 2s are 10. We have to take 5 1s are 5. So here we will take 5 1s are 5. Now everybody look here properly. 8 minus 5 will be 3, right? And this 0 we are going to bring it down. So now the number becomes 30, right? Now when we will say 5 table, then 5 6 is 30. So we will write down 5 6 are 30. And then when we will subtract, we will get 0 answer, means 0 remainder. Our answer is here 16. Okay. So children, this way you are going to complete the whole exercise. I will tell you. In exercise 1.1, you will do the sums till 12 number. Okay. 1 to 12. So first 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are in the textbook itself. So there only you will do the sum. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Those sums you are going to do in your notebook. Till 12 you will do in your notebook, and the other are for the extra practice. You can do it in your rough book for the extra practice. Okay, no need to do in the fair book of maths. And in exercise 1.2 also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sums are in the textbook only, so you will do there. But 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 again in the notebook. Okay, and the rest sums are for the extra practice. You don't have to do in your maths notebook. Okay children. Bye and have a nice day.